Are you interested in learning the tips, secrets, and techniques that I share in my delivery of secrets, tips, and techniques of the confident speaker? Are you looking to be more confident? Do you have a tendency when you get nervous to speak quickly, even at times forget what you want to say when asked to present in front of others? If you watch my secrets, tips, and techniques all the way through, you will have the skill set to become a more confident communicator. So get ready and go click on the link below to start watching and start learning. I look forward to seeing you there.